Hi everybody, welcome back. It is that time once again, time to unbox Sephora Play. If you're unfamiliar, Sephora Play is a monthly subscription service. It's $10 a month plus tax. You're going to receive 5 deluxe size sample items from Sephora. These are going to be brands that Sephora carries in their stores. You're also going to receive 1 bonus item. Sometimes it's a perfume sample. Sometimes it's a foil pack of some sort. I'll get shipped to you each month. You do fill out a survey, so they kind of try to customize and tweak it towards your preferences. Down below in the description box, I will leave a link for you if you want to get on and get your own Sephora Play. But without further ado, let's get into it. So when you open up your box, it's going to be like this. The first thing you're going to find on the top is going to be your play book. This is going to give you your monthly theme as well as a description of each of the items that has been sent to you. Also, it usually contains some kind of cute little tips and tricks or fun little games or exercises that you can do. Now, in the front of this playbook is going to be this little guy here. This card is called your Play Pass. When you take this into Sephora stores or you use it online, you will receive an additional 50 Beauty Insider points toward your account. And then inside, you're going to have your bag that's going to have all your contents. It usually has a really cute message on the back. And this month it says how to play, open, hard eyes, repeat. So this month's theme is must-see beauty. So we're going to dump out, see what we got. First product we got up here, it is the Benefit Gimme Brow. I actually do like this product, and fun fact, this tiny size lasts forever. I had one of these in, I think it was my Mini Madness Project Pan last year, and I'd already been using it, and I swear it took me another 6 months. This thing almost lasted, I want to say close to 2 years, lasted a ridiculously long time, but I'm glad to see another one of these little guys. Get brows that steal the spotlight with this volumizing gel. It uses tiny microfibers that adhere to the hairs and skin for mess-free application. Next up, this is coming to us from Lancome. This is the Monsieur Big Mascara. This is a volumizing mascara. I don't think I've tried this one, but I do like some of the mascaras I've tried from Lancome, but not so sure I've tried this one. This ultra creamy, high volume mascara delivers bold lashes for up to 24 hours. That's applause worthy beauty. Next up is coming to us from First Aid Beauty. This is the Pores Be Gone Matte Primer with Fig Extract. I have not tried this primer from First Aid Beauty yet, so I am really excited to give this one a try. This makeup gripping primer blurs the appearance of pores, plus it's non-comedogenic, so there are no breakout performances. Next up, this one comes from Belief. This is the True Cream Moisturizing Balm. Now, I have tried the Aqua Bomb and I have tried the Eye Balm, which, let me tell you something. That thing, there's something in that eye cream. But I don't think I've tried the True Cream Moisturizing Balm. So this one's more suited, I believe, for drier skin. And my skin can get a little dry, so I'm really excited to give this one a shot. This intensely moisturizing balm is an action-packed cream that leaves skin smooth, supple, and nurtured for 26 hours. Next up here we have from Briogeo. This is the Don't Despair Repair Deep Conditioning Mask. I've not been the biggest fan of Briogeo products, but it's a hair mask, so I will definitely give it a try. Formulated with naturally derived ingredients, this mask visibly restores essential hydration to help strengthen strands, a true hair hero story. And last but not least, we have our perfume sample. This one is coming to us from Victor and Rolf. This is Sage Spell Eau de Parfum. I'm guessing it's going to have some kind of sage-ish scent. And this one's got a little sprayer. I really like the other ones better because then I don't have to spray the stench. But we'll give it a little sniff. Yeah, it smells like sage. Nope. No thank you. Thrilling and a little addictive, this earthy scent is one you'll come back to time after time. And so that is it. That is everything that was included in Play by Sephora this month. I love getting a tiny gimme brow because honestly this is a fantastic product and this tiny size lasts forever. So I'll definitely be putting this to good use. It's the Lancome Grandiose. That's the mascara that they make that I really, really do like. So I'm really excited to give the Monsieur Big a try. I'm super excited about giving this First Aid Beauty a try because I love a good primer. The Belief True Cream Moisturizer. I'm really... Dang, I sprayed that perfume. I'm dying, guys. The Belief True Cream Moisturizing Balm. I am excited to give this one a try. Belief makes some really, really good moisturizers, so really excited to try out this one. The Briogeo, like I said, I'm not the biggest fan of Briogeo hair care products, but it's a mask, so those are usually just conditioning, deep conditioning, hydrating, so I'll definitely give it a try. And Eau de Stink. No. But again, I'm a real perfume snob, but this stuff is strong, guys. I sprayed the tiniest spray, and it is just overpowering me here. I'm dying. I'm literally dying. Once again, I, of course, want to thank you, as always, for spending a little bit of your time with me today. I truly, truly do appreciate it. And as always, before you leave, make sure that you are subscribed to my channel. You definitely don't want to miss out on any videos that I have coming up. And I will see you guys next time. Bye-bye.